Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about parts of the guitar and I'm going to start with the basics. These are all the strings. We can tune them by using a tuning pegs. As you can see, there are 6 strings, so there are 6 tuning pegs. By tightening or loosening, we can adjust the strings according to it. Here you can see the tuning pegs has 6, which is the 3 from the left side and 3 to the right side. The next one, which is a nut. In nut there are 3 types, which is a graphite, plastic and bone. It is all made up of. Next we are moving to the neck area, which is the long part. As you can see, the metal thing, which is the fret, this is the long area, so they are dividing into a small a partition, which is called the first fret, second fret and there and etc. And as you can see, the dots, that dots represents the fret markers of fret of 3rd, 5, 7th, 9th, 12th, 15 and 17. These are all the fret markers which is in the fretboard. Next, it allows you to extensively shorten the length of the string and placing your finger down in the certain positions. The shortening of the strings changes the pitch so that we can combine and create melodies and chords. Next, how to play in this surface above the 12th fret. Sometimes we may feel a difficulty while playing in this fretboard area. So in order to prevent how to tackle this area, but we may feel very easier in the above frets, so we can buy a guitar which has a cut in this area like this. I have shown the image, so it makes a very easier to play in that fret area. Next is the pickguard, which covers the wood and protect it when you are playing. When we are harshly playing, that a surface may get damaged or get scratched, so we are protecting it and we are pasting a sticker in that area. I think you can able to see the sticker where the pickguard is. So it protects the wooden surface of the guitar. Next is the plug, where you can insert it, and this one is the belt pin where you can handle a belt of the bottom point, and in also you can the top area you can also handle the belt. Next is the bridges and saddles. This is the bridges and saddles where the strings are placed in the bottom area in the bridges, and the another end of the strings are placed in the top area on the tuning pegs area. So we can able to play this. Next we are going to see what in the electric guitars. Whammy bar or tremolo, which allows you to add a little bit of tremolo to your chord, which is placed in that position in your guitar. Next one is a pickup. Pickup, which is in the electric guitar, it is a transducer which converts the mechanical energy into a electrical energy. And also there is a switch, which is a pickup selector switch is placed in the below the pickups. It allows you the ranges and tones, and it has a 5 different positions, allows you to select a different configurations as I shown in the image. Thanks for watching my channel, and